Can you paint over a whiteboard wall? What you need to know. The answer is yes, you can repaint it, but only if you do it the right way. The problem. Over time, whiteboard walls can start to look bad. You'll see ghosting, stains, scratches, dull spots, or even yellowing. And here's the mistake people make. They try to paint right over the old surface, and that almost always leads to peeling, bubbling, or a wall that won't erase properly. Why prep matters. Whiteboard walls are smooth and glossy by design. That's great for writing, but terrible for paint adhesion. If you skip prep, the new coating won't stick. Old marker residue can bleed through, and the surface can turn rough and unusable. The right way to repaint. Here's the correct process. Erase and clean all marker residue. Lightly sand the surface to remove the gloss. Patch any dents or holes, then sand smooth. Apply a compatible base coat or primer. Roll on remarkable whiteboard paint. Let it cure for 48 hours before writing. Done right, this restores a smooth, erasable whiteboard surface. Why repaint instead of replace? A premium whiteboard paint lasts for years, resists yellowing, and costs far less than installing a traditional frame board. Remarkable whiteboard paint is low VOC, safe for homes and schools, and designed specifically to stay bright and easy to erase long term. So yes, you can paint over a whiteboard wall, just don't skip the prep. If your wall needs a refresh, repaint it the right way and give your ideas room. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coating specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoating.com.